remaining days. Last class, we have completed up to question number 10. Look at question number 11 from exercise 2.3. It says a wall 7 whole 1 by 5 meter in height is being built. After one day, the mason had built 7 by 9 of the wall. What height of the wall yet to be built? Now, what is the total length of wall? They have given 7 whole 1 by 5 meter or 36 by 5 meter. Mason had built 7 by 9 of the wall in one day. So the fraction of wall is built (7 by 9) of 36 by 5 meter, because he has built 7 by 9 of the wall. So height of wall is 36 by 5. So we'll write 7 by 9 of 36 by 5 meter, or it gives you 7 by 9 into 36 by 5 meter. 9 fours are 36, or it gives you 28 by 5 meter he has built. Is it? Now, height of wall yet to be built is equal to 36 by 5 was the total height, 28 by 5 is built. So we'll subtract. LCM is 5, 36 minus 28, so 8 by 5 meter, 1 whole 3 by 5 meter of wall is yet to build. Please write it. Then question number 12, it says a refrigerator was sold at 7 by 8 of its original price. If its original price was rupees 24,000, for how much was the refrigerator sold and what was the discount given? Now the original price of refrigerator is 24,000. It was sold at 7 by 8 of its original price. So at what price it is sold? We'll find out. Number 12. Total cost of refrigerator. Rupees 24,000. It was sold at 7 by 8 of its original price. Is it? So SP of refrigerator will be 7 by 8 of rupees 24,000. This will be the SP. Is it or not? Now we'll just find the 7 by 8 of 24,000. Rupees 21,000 it was sold. So that's what the discount is equal to MP minus SP. It was marked as rupees 24,000, the original price, and it was sold at rupees 21,000. So 3,000 rupees was given as a discount. So discount was given rupees 3,000. This is question number 12. With this we have completed exercise 2.3. Next we have division of fractions. Already we know when we divide, the divisor is changing into its reciprocals. Is it? What is this reciprocal? Reciprocal is just inverse, the opposite fraction, where the denominator comes as a numerator and numerator comes as its denominator. Is it? Just you see, if it is 4 by 5, the reciprocal would be 5 by 4. 7 by 9. So reciprocal would be 7 by 9. 9 by 7. Denominator is coming as numerator and numerator is coming as denominator. That is known as reciprocals. Now, in exercise 2.4, we have to divide the fractions. Is it? So when we divide the fractions, the divisor by the number by which we are dividing the sum is known as divisor. That changes into its reciprocal. Dividend remain as it is. As example, 47 divided by 3 by 4. Now this is known as dividend. Already you know. And this is known as divisor. Now this 47 remain as it is. Dividend is remaining as it is. The sign of division is changing into multiplication and this divisor changes into its reciprocal. This is the rule we do the division of fraction. So that we are going to do for exercise 2.4. Okay, so let us begin. Here, the first question they have asked you to write the reciprocal. So that you have to write it in the book itself. You don't need to write it in the copy. Now the last one you can see it is given 15 whole 5 by 6. We are not going to write 15 whole 6 by 5. This is wrong. What we are going to do, we will be writing it in improper fraction. 15 6 are 95. 95 by 6 or the reciprocal will be 6 by 95. This you have to do in this way. Number 1 in the book. So we'll begin with number 2. I have told you number 1 4. Now the reciprocal of 6 by 17 is 17 by 6. 1 by 9 is 9 and 23 is 1 by 3. 1 by 23 and number 4 is already told. Now we'll begin with question number 2. So let us see. Divide. They have asked you to divide. Number 1, 33 by 6 by 5. So what we are going to write? 33 divided by 6 by 5. Or next step we'll be writing 33 into 5 by 6. If it is divisible, we'll divide. If it is reduced, we can. 3 2s are 6, 3 11s are 33. Or you get it 55 by 2. You can leave it as it is, or if you want, you can convert into mixed fraction. Do not give this sign. There are children who are using this sign. You should not. Maybe you see number 3. 20 by 3 whole 1 by 3. So we are going to write 20 divided by 3 whole 1 by 3. 20. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 by 3. Or 20 into 3 by 10. 10 2s are 20. So the answer is 6. Okay. You see number 7. 22 by 5 by 11 by 15. Or we'll be writing 22 by 5 divided by 11 by 15. Next step 22 by 5 into 15 by 11. 5 3s are 11 2s are. So the answer is only 6.